Well, good morning. Gosh, what is it? It's about 10:20, and this is Monday. I think June 1st. I think. I don't know. I'm doing the testing on the electrical system, and I've got power from my test battery going into the bike and heading. It goes down to the brake. That works. The brake switch is all rebuilt and installed. That works. But I don't have a tail light, don't have a headlight, and got to figure this out. It looks like somebody's been inside the headlight. Someone's in there. Let me get a flashlight. So, all right. Oh my! Someone's been in the headlight. Ooh. That's a non-standard. This looks like it's been burnt. Oh, maybe this is just tape. We got all kinds of neat stuff in here. All right, well, I guess I get to play. Oh, look. The alternator's, excuse me, the ammeter's completely disconnected. You've got both wires gone. Okay. All right. Well, I guess this is going to be my next adventure in here. And the fun just never stops. All right, it's 12:15. I've been, well, have a wire collection. Working on the headlight. I got to figure it out. First of all, there's no high-low beam switch on the handlebar, so you only have one beam. I've selected high. I've cleaned up all this wiring. I've reconnected the ammeter, and right now with the toggle switch here, it's off, park, and on, and that's an on with high beam. Okay, and I'm going to close it up now, leave it like that till we decide whether or not we want to add a high-low beam switch to the handlebar, and that's where we are. All right, it's 2 o'clock, and I've got the brake pedal over here. I sprayed it, you know, one of those old might as well while I've got it off. I just painted it black. And here's the brake linkage. That's all cleaned up and ready to go back on. And while I had all this apart, I touched all this up with black paint. It's just spray can paint, but it looks better than it did. And I've got this assembly. This is the switch, and then the pedal adjuster. I put that in. That's ready to go back together. And here's the brake pivot and nut. And I'm going to call it the day on the bike. It's 2 o'clock, and it's hot. But look what I got. I got a box full of goodies, and all of these goodies are for this bike. So let's unpack it and see what we've got. All right, we've got goodies: cables, boots, filters, petcocks, tank bolt or seat bolts, new chain, a new vape micro ignition system, and two brand new Premier carburetors. That's pretty cool. This is a complete set. This is a complete. This one. And these two are do-it-yourself, where you put them together and cut them to length. And I think they're supposed to have a package of various and sundry ends that you can put on. I'm going to have to contact the vendor and see if they're supposed to have some additional parts. This split cable system here is for the carburetors, and that should be okay. Should, capital should. And pretty good. Now, in the meantime, while I've been working on a bike, and here's your basic empty box, so the bits and pieces that I think I might be missing don't seem to be in here. So, anyway, I'm going to use this dual coil. It looks really good sitting there. That's just FYI. I like it a lot. So, I've got enough to put the ignition system on, and when I pull the tire off, I'll try putting the boots on to see if they fit. and air cleaners and cables, ignition system, rear chain. I've got enough stuff here to keep me busy for the next few days.